Hey guys, so in this video I am talking about why people lose money in stock market. To combination of emotional decision making, fundamental knowledge, risk management and wants quick results. Emotions like fear, greed often drive poor choices. Investors tend to buy when the market is at a peak out of the fear of missing out and panic selling during the market downturns. It results in classic buy high and sell low scenario. The lack of knowledge and research. People invest without understanding the basic of stock market or the fundamentals of the company they are investing in, relying on the tips from the friends or social media, putting all the money in single stock or sector, using borrowed money to trade, sometimes leading to losses of an entire investment capital even with the small market movements. Next point is no stop loss order. Failing to set stop loss order means not having a predefined exit point for a losing trade, can lead to holding a declining stock for too long in its hope with to recover. Many people are impatient and short-term focus. Building wealth through investing requires time and patience. Expecting quick, multifold returns often lead to frequent, impulsive trading and high transaction cost, which erodes all the returns over the time. Next point is high risk trading, futures and option leverages. There's a massive difference between the investing and trading. Leverage, using borrowed money to trade and amplify gains, but it also multiplies losses. You can lose more money that you actually started with. Futures and options statistics consistently showed that 90% of the retail investors or traders lose money in the derivative markets. There are zero sum games where most individuals are outmatched by the algorithm and institutional players. There's a lack of research and tips. Many people treat stock market like a casino. They buy stocks based on the social media influencer or hot tips from the family or friends as I talked earlier. The name of the company they recognized without looking at it debt, earning or business model. And the very important point is holding into a losing stock for a year just to break even while missing out an better opportunity elsewhere. Many people following the crowd blindly without understanding why a certain stock is being bought or sold. People comes very overconfident, believing that they have special insight or gut feeling that professional investor and algorithm don't have. So don't make this silly mistake. How much money you lose? The stock market comments below. Some people are attempting to time the market, waiting for the perfect bottom to buy, which usually results in missing the most profitable recovery days. Some people are ignoring dividend and inflations. They focused only on the stock price and forgetting the inflation can eat away the real value of gains. People don't have a exit plan, entering in a trade without knowing at what price you will sell. If things go wrong or right, overtrading is also a dangerous thing. Buying and selling too frequently. Every trade in occurs brokerage, fees, and taxes, which slowly drain your capital. Don't use money. Using that capital is needed for immediate expenses, forcing you to sell are at a loss. If an emergency arises,